Hi, and welcome to Headspace for Kids. Have you ever wished that you could have superpowers? Well, maybe that's not as crazy as it sounds, because scientists have discovered that if you train your brain in just the right way, you'll not only feel more healthy, but you could even develop a super brain. Here at Headspace, we put together a few games that will help you to get your brain in tip-top shape so that you feel fitter, stronger, and happier. So give Headspace for Kids a go and see how fit and focused you can get your brain to be. Exercise 1. Follow the ball on the screen for the next 60 seconds without losing your concentration. Try to count the number of passes to see how many times the ball is thrown. You can either do this silently to yourself, or you can just quietly whisper the number of passes if you prefer. Exercise 2. Follow the heart as it moves backwards and forwards along the trail. You'll need to help it count as it moves. I'll show you how to do it the first time, and then you can have a go on your own. Remember, just count silently in your head or whisper the numbers as you're counting. 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Now have a go at doing it on your own.